Hey guys, hey peeps, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. Okay, let it load. I do not have some cool stuff on this game. I'm still trying to get a bunch of money. I can't seem to get any, so it's hard. It's actually a pretty hard game. Kind of. Player says play the worldly weekend event to unlock limited characters. Well, I haven't unlocked any. Okay, let's play some Subway Surfers. Getting laggy. You don't even need Wi-Fi for this. What the heck? Was it laggy? Okay, I think it's it's still laggy. My phone sucked crap. It was a freaking $50 phone. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh no, it always goes that. Get the box chocolates. Whoa! Dude, this is so laggy. Oh my god, I don't even know if I can post this game. I need to get this on laggy. Okay, here, I'm gonna pause this for a minute. I'm going to hit this button. Okay. See if this works. No, it's not working. What if we did this? Oh, it's kind of stopping lagging. Oh, there we go. Kind of. Not much, but at least it's on laggy. Dang it! I'm not eating. No keys. I'm trying to save up. Okay. See, as you can see, I don't have a lot of money. That's me. That's my top run. If we go home, me. Let's go to me. And I don't have any characters. All I have is this Jake and this Jake, which is I like him better. Then my boards don't have any ones. Okay, that's not working. Okay, we're gonna hit. No, why am I hitting that? Sure. No, I don't want to buy that. Run from the. Bye, cop. You never. Ow, that hurt. That hurt, and the cop came. See ya. Bye. Butt cheeks. Come on, you little fart face. Come on. Dusty old fart hole. Dang it. Whee! Miss me. Oh, miss me. I don't care no more. I just said it missed me. Then I died. Because this is super laggy. I would probably be still surviving if this wasn't laggy. Because this game really sucks. I'm going to do Roblox after a video someday. I'm going to do Roblox. Roblox is a fun game. I mean, it's so popular. Like, people love it. It's so fun. Like, it's like the best game ever. Well, actually, Fortnite is. I might post a video of that someday. I might not, because they're only on TVs. And I have a TV, but I might post one. I've never got this before. New trophy. I've never got this. What is this? I don't know what that is. I do not have much coins. 6 out of 20 heart chocolates. I want some chocolates. I'm not gonna give it away. I want them. They're mine. I got them. Why am I always about to die all the time? It's super laggy. Super glitched or something. Ah! Oh god, I just missed that treasure box because it was laggy. What the heck? Smart. Go away, smart manager. You're not smart at all. That was so dumb. Good, and it was also dumb to revive myself. I only got 12 keys. What? That's impossible to do. Unless you have jumpy shoes, and I didn't have any. Oh my god, look. Don't ask again. Sure. Look, I'm almost... Oh my god. Dang it! I keep hitting things. Because this stupid phone. I'm going to have to probably do something. Because when you put it in the sunlight, it probably does that a lot. Oh, another way to charge your phone, you plug your phone, but not into an outlet. So you get the charger, put it in, then you get an orange, and the thing that has the two-sided one of them, you plug it into an orange, and then put it in the sunlight, and then it will just charge. If you've ever seen that in a video, it's actually really simple. Other people, it takes like 2 hours to do it. Then it's just a waste of time. But that's actually a fast way to do it. All you need is an orange charger or an iPad, phone, TV. No, not a TV. No, you don't need chargers for TVs. Like you'll need, oh my god, what the heck? You will need an orange, a phone, or any other things. You can take any other electronics and a charger. It's actually really cool. Whoa! This is Valentine's, and it sounds like it's like not Valentine's. It's not Valentine's no more, so it doesn't matter. Why they make this game now? Why did they have to make it? I really like the Halloween one. Halloween's the best of everyone. Actually, I think kind of Christmas is. I mean, I like Halloween more than Christmas. Because you get to dress up, you get to eat candy. Candy's fun. I love candy. Presents, I don't really like them. I don't like to play toys. I like to play with electronics and watch YouTube videos. Oh, hashtag Papa Jake. He is a really good YouTuber. He builds things out of cardboard. Yeah, it's really cool. It's like so cool. I mean, how does he do that? Like he does the rake, 3 a.m. in the rake at 3 a.m. He builds a box for at 3 a.m. with the rake, with his friend named Logan. So you need to watch his videos. He's better than me, way better. I don't make cardboard boxes. I probably will make a video of those with Nerf, and I love Nerf. Nerf is my favorite. So you should go to stores and buy Nerf. I have like almost everyone. In a bunch of videos, they put like this white wall with holes in it, and they just hang their guns up. Well, I'm not those people, but I live in a rich house, so I got every electronic except an Apple Watch, or other stuff. I don't know what else. You guys see this? This is not my high score yet. It's actually not my high score yet. So guys, we're going to end this video right now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and then hit that check mark, hit save, then you won't miss any of our videos. Goodbye!